Hi guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this stylish motion blur poster effect in Photoshop. First, select your main image layer and right-click, select duplicate layer. Now go to Filter Blur Motion Blur. In the motion blur settings, set the angle to around 20 degrees and the distance to around 85 pixels. Once you're happy with the blur, press OK. Now let's control where the effect appears. Select the rectangular marquee tool and create a selection around the area where you want the motion blur effect. Then click Add Layer Mask and press Ctrl+I to invert the mask. Next, open the layer style and enable stroke. Set the stroke color to white, the size to around 1 pixel, and the opacity to 100%. Then press OK. Now let's add some typography to make the design more interesting. Select the text tool and add your text. Set the font size to around 16 points and use white as the text color. Next, select the shape tool and choose the ellipse tool shape. Add a small vertical shape to the design and change its color to purple. Hold Shift while creating the shape to keep it perfectly aligned. You can also add social media icons, logos, or any additional design elements you want. And that's how you can create this dynamic motion blur poster effect in Photoshop using motion blur, masks, typography, and simple shapes.